Welcome back, friends. Check it out. It's a 2013 Ford F-150 XLT. It's a super cab 4x4 with a chrome package. She's a 2-owner unit with a perfect Carfax. She's got the hard ARE tonneau, as you can see, with ladder racks, chrome pack, reverse sensing system, backup camera, sync technology with streaming audio, hands-free calling, satellite radio. This is a super nice truck, folks, and she is dialed in front to back, no accidents, no issues. Not a heavily worked truck, folks. This is a super nice piece. Guaranteed credit approvals in full effect on this one, and we're going to start the down payment at $995. Blue jeans is the color. This is the truck.